In this video we are going to show you how to replace the cable attached to the barbell counterweight pulley system in the Kratos Dual Stack Multi-Gym. We recommend replacing the cables in your machine's pulley systems every 1 to 2 years, depending on usage frequency. Over time, the cables will be subject to general wear and tear from use and may result in reduced machine performance due to tension loss. Not only this, but it is important to replace pulley cables for safety reasons. A weak or damaged pulley cable could potentially snap during a workout, causing injury to you or others. For this reason, regular maintenance of the machine, including replacing the cables, is crucial. The cable runs through the pipe structure at the back of the Kratos machine, where it is attached to a cylindrical counterweight. Before you go about replacing this cable, please make sure that the weight stack is set to the lightest weight possible. To start, lift the center barbell up until it hooks securely into place at the highest point. Using 2 spanners of size 14 and 17, unscrew the nut which currently attaches the cable to the bar. Before removing the bolt, nut and washer entirely, hold and pull down on the cable so it does not detach itself from the bar, as this may cause injury. Gently remove the cable from the top 3 idler pulley bearings. After the 3rd idler pulley, the cable runs into the back pipe structure. In order to access the rest of the cable and effectively pull out the counterweight, we must remove the 3rd idler pulley bearing. To do this, use a size 14 and 17 spanner to loosen the bolt and remove the bearing. From here, you can gently pull the cable and subsequently, the counterweight out of the pipe. To replace the cable, you must first loosen the lower lock nut. From there you can unscrew the bolt and remove the cable from the weight. Replace this cable with the new one, pushing it fully into the counterweight. Secure the bolt and lower nut, hold it in place. Make sure the locking nut is screwed back tightly before repositioning the counterweight in the pipe. Lower the counterweight gently into the pipe, using the cable to lower it all the way to the bottom. Keep the cable on the outside of the machine, i.e. behind the frame of the 3rd pulley bearing. Reposition the 3rd idler pulley. Use spanners to secure it with its original bolt, nut and washer. Once secured, make sure it is able to spin seamlessly in place. Next, guide the cable back through the idler pulley system. The cable goes above the 3rd pulley bearing, through the back of the middle bearing and straight down in front of the 1st bearing. Guide the cable downwards, pulling it until it aligns with the hole on the barbell bar. Insert the bolt through the head of the cable and into the hole. Secure both in place by tightening the nut with a spanner. Make sure all bolts are securely tightened and that the cable is running smoothly in line with all of the bearings. We advise checking the functionality of the new cable by slowly lifting the barbell and trying out different weight levels. Please only use this new cable system if you are certain that everything is in place and functioning correctly. Your new cable should now be ready for use on your Kratos Dual Stack Multi-Gym.